Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL not charging at 45 watts. So first, what you guys need is a 45 watt power delivery 3.0 or PPS adapter and also a rated cable. Neither of them are included in the box, so you either get them separately or you use a third-party one. So as you guys can see, I'm using this brick right here. It's a super fast charging. I know that this brick is 45 watts exactly, and the cable I'm using is 60 watts. So of course, 45 watts capped. And once I plug it in and I plug in my phone, I should see that it is fast charging. So let's just go over and plug the phone in. There's no notification that it's really fast charging. You can see it right here at the bottom. So I got 91%, it's fast charging, and it should be full in 26 minutes. So of course, it's pretty okay. I did a test on how long it took after 30 minutes. So from 3%, it went to 37. So it's not fast, but definitely it's a safe charging. And remember about the genuine power delivery 3.0 or a PPS brick, and also a good cable. So if that did not fix the issue, you can unplug your phone and make sure that your charging port is clean on the inside. So if it's not clean here, then that is the answer, because sometimes it can charge, but it won't have the best connection because of the dirt that might may be inside of here. So make sure that you clean your USB-C port, and after that, as a last resort, you can update your software by going into settings, scrolling down to system, tapping on software updates, and tapping on system update. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It's very important because you don't want any old glitches on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.